My name Emil Lim. I'm 55 years old, married. I have 3 sons, 24, 25, 26. I have been working here in Hong Kong 18 years with the 5 employers, all finished contract. My skill is do the household works, cooking, washing, ironing, marketing, and biddings, and taking care the children. About my personality is I'm hardworking, honest, flexible, can follow the rules of my employers. I can work alone or work with the other helpers. My prepared job is taking care child, adult, elderly. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.